Hello, and thank you for landing on my page. I'm Nicole Williams-Lewis, your local agent, helping buyers and sellers achieve their home goals. I host online as well as in-person workshops, educating others on how they can see their home ownership dreams come true. As a first-time home buyer resource, I work with as well as refer to the down payment assistance programs and lenders that participate with them, so buyers working with me have access to up to $15,000, in some cases more, worth of funds to help them purchase a new or existing home should they need and qualify for them, and qualifying is easier than you might think. I work with as well as maintain great relationships with builders in our area, so if new construction is your heart's desire, then I am the one to guide you home and help you stay on budget while getting there. I stay updated on desirable inventory that remains in the affordable range, as I want you to love and be in your home long after we've conducted our business together. And last, while certainly not least, I help my seller customers get top dollar for their homes, so don't put it off any longer. Click message below so you can tell me what your home goal is, and I can get to work helping you meet it. Thanks again for stopping by, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.